What is up, guys, and welcome to the Next Gen Millionaires Discord server. So in this video itself, underneath the free content for crypto, we're going to be going through the basics of crypto, right? What is cryptocurrency? So this is for beginners, for people maybe you're a little bit more advanced but you want to re-solidify your knowledge. This is perfect, just so you have a full understanding. Now, after this video, if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, NFTs, make sure you check out the Next Gen Millionaires Mentorship Program, which is launching very soon. You guys will, be able to work with myself and learn a lot more about all of the next, the new age digital realm. So let's move into this, right? Cryptocurrency. Let's do a little breakdown of what exactly it is. So what is crypto? Crypto, it's a virtual currency, right? So you have physical currency here, like this is a $100 bill, and this is paper, okay? So you can hold it in your hand. Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the huge cryptocurrencies, you cannot, or any cryptocurrency, you can't hold it in your hand, right? It exists on the internet using blockchain technology. And the main thing is that a lot of people don't understand how crypto can actually be used, right? So how can crypto be used? Through transactions or investments, and these are the main two, right? So transactions, let's say that you have a friend that lives over in China and you live in the United States and you want to send them a large amount of money, let's say $10,000. You can do that through an international wire transfer, which might take a couple days, or you can use Bitcoin or Ethereum or some type of cryptocurrency to send them money, virtual currency, in a matter of, some cryptos take like 30 minutes, some like Solana are extremely quick, in less than a couple minutes. So that is why transactions are so popular with cryptocurrency, because of the transaction speed itself, transferring money. On top of that, it can be used as an investment, a store of value. So let's say, that you have $10,000 lying around. You can put that $10,000 into stocks, ETFs, mutual funds. If you put money into cryptocurrency itself, it's an investment that over the past, 10 years, at least if you look at crypto on the logarithmic chart, it is constantly going up. Obviously there's bull and bear markets, but overall it has continued to go up. And the reason why is because people are starting to realize, like, holy crap, like this is a virtual currency. So everything's going virtual. Same thing with, social media. Before you would have to, send out letters to people on like a horse. Now, you can go online, go on Instagram and text someone. It's pretty cool. But that's the main reason why it's being used as an investment. People are realizing that it's beginning to start a new era, right? It's a new era of currency. And that's what cryptocurrency is mainly for. Now, moving on, can you counterfeit crypto? Well, the simple answer to that is it's nearly impossible. And the reason why is because crypto itself, and we'll get into this a little bit more later, but the main reason is because crypto itself, when let's say that you create your own crypto using a smart contract, like anyone can create a crypto, and we're going to go through in my mentorship program how you can create your own if you really want to. So make sure you stick around for that. But the main thing is anyone can create a crypto, and you can set a certain amount of supply. Let's say that I make a crypto, right? I want only 10,000 tokens to be available in my crypto. Once the smart contract is deployed, you cannot change that. And from there, there's only 10,000 available if I make Matt Lorian coin, right? Now, because of that, you can't counterfeit that since the supply is already set. On the other end of the spectrum, let's say you're talking about Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin and Ethereum, their numbers or their supply is constantly going up. And the reason for that, you might have heard of it, there are crypto miners, right? Bitcoin miners. And these miners, essentially, they can solve different equations in order to earn cryptocurrency. And by solving those different equations, like I was saying, their reward is crypto. And because of that, there's constantly more supply coming into the market, allowing that supply to continuously go up. So because of that, that's another way to actually, I guess, technically create crypto, but it is nearly impossible to counterfeit it. And moving on from there, how does crypto actually work, right? So first you need to determine your goal with cryptocurrency. Maybe you just heard about it and you're not sure, what you should do. Either invest or utilize. And those are the two main, I guess, purposes of crypto, right? Like we were talking about before. So the first thing is, let's say you want to invest in crypto. And if you are investing, your main goal would be to make money on this long term. There's two types of investing, short-term investing and long-term investing. If you're short-term investing, this could be day trading, maybe you're swing trading over the course of a week, or if you're long-term investing, you wanna invest $10,000 and hold this for 5 years, right? And there's different types of ways to invest. But the second way to do this is by utilizing, right? Maybe this is your goal, to utilize crypto in order to make money in different avenues. So for example, the best example I can give is NFTs. Maybe you don't want to invest in crypto for the long run, but you want to invest in NFTs right now. The only way to purchase NFTs is using the crypto that the actual marketplace, what blockchain, it exists on. So let's say you want to go to OpenSea, right? OpenSea is based on the Ethereum blockchain, meaning that you're going to have to use Ethereum in order to purchase an NFT there. So you're just utilizing the crypto itself. You're not a long-term investor. You're only purchasing it so that you can purchase an NFT. Now that's utilizing crypto. So moving on, choose a crypto, right? So when you're choosing an actual cryptocurrency, there's multiple different things that you can do, right? You can invest in a crypto like Bitcoin, which is mainly a store of value, right? It's a store of wealth. So if you're investing in Bitcoin, most of the time, you are just trying to make money in the long term, right? This is generally speaking. If you're getting into low cap cryptos, which pretty much mean cryptocurrencies that are extremely new or they haven't blown up yet to the scale of like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Litecoin. So you can choose different types of cryptos, right? So some of the big ones are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Now, Bitcoin, like I was saying, is mainly used for a store of wealth and transactions that are extremely large. Now, Ethereum is starting to be adopted by a lot of companies and businesses. And the reason why is because Ethereum, it has a lot more utility, right? You can make smart contracts on the Ethereum network that allow you to do so many different things. One of those things, like we were talking about before, is creating an actual cryptocurrency. You can create your own cryptocurrency on the Ethereum network. You can't do that on Bitcoin, right? So each crypto has a different utility. Now, what makes them actually different? And that's what we were just talking about a little bit. Their utility, that's what makes them different. So once again, Bitcoin, a store of wealth mainly. Ethereum, you can do multiple different things on, but it's mainly used for its actual blockchain technology. Now, there's another one called Solana, and you guys might have heard of this. And Solana, the reason why people are starting to really invest in Solana and it's blowing up right now, the main reason is because not only do they have their own blockchain, which is very similar to Ethereum's, but the thing is that on the Solana blockchain and the Solana network itself, you're able to create your own crypto. Once again, you can list NFTs, but the main thing is that you can actually send Solana extremely quickly, and their transaction fees are drastically lower than Ethereum itself. And the reason for that is because they mainly focused on that. They focused on optimizing the actual network itself. So let's say that I want to send Solana over to my buddy Jake, right? It's going to take less than a couple minutes, and it's going to cost less than a couple dollars. It's insane. So there's different utility with each cryptocurrency. Some cryptocurrencies are used to, as a method of currency inside of a video game. There's so many different things, but moving on. Let's go into some different crypto statistics, right? So you have this chart on the left. I think this is an amazing, representation of where, Bitcoin's at the moment. So Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency at the moment in terms of market cap. So as we move on, what is Bitcoin's actual market cap? It's about 790 billion. And this has been in the trillions before when it was closer to its all-time high, over $60,000 a Bitcoin. But right now it's around 790 billion. So how many Americans actually use cryptocurrency? About 16%. And that was a study done in, I believe, late 2021. And 16% of Americans, it's not just invest in crypto, but they either invested, they used it, or they interacted with crypto in some way, shape, or form. So it's definitely rising in popularity. 10 years ago, this was way under, 1%. I'm talking fractions of a percent. And it's starting to gain a ton of popularity lately because people are realizing, like, hey, this is the future of currency right here. So on the left-hand side, like I was saying, we have an actual chart here. And at the top, you can see gold. Gold's market cap is around $11 trillion. And Bitcoin is number 10 ranked in the world around 790 billion. So with that being said, guys, that is some crypto statistics. Where can you actually trade crypto? So you can trade crypto on a crypto exchange. So let's say that you want to, exchange Bitcoin for Litecoin or Bitcoin for Ethereum. You want to trade currencies. You can go to Coinbase or Gemini. Those are some pretty large ones. And there's a ton of other exchanges as well. These are just the two that I personally use. So on these exchanges, you're also able to buy crypto. So how can you buy crypto, right? Using a card or a bank account. So let's say that, you want to purchase some Bitcoin. You go on a Coinbase, you can add a payment method, which is either your card or your bank account. And from there, you can pretty much purchase it like you're purchasing any other product online, which is pretty cool. So how do you actually sell crypto? Same way that you would purchase it, right? You would pretty much go to an exchange, make sure that your crypto is inside of the exchange itself, and you would exchange the crypto for cash. So it's that simple. And once you exchange it for cash, then you can withdraw it to your bank account. So that's how people make money with crypto. It's pretty simple, right? They'll invest using their credit card or their bank account. They'll wait, or it'll be a long-term investment. They'll wait a couple of years. Their money will make a huge return. Then they'll exchange the crypto for cash. They'll pay the taxes on it, and they will pull it out. So it's that simple. And we're going to go into crypto taxes and all that stuff later on, especially in the mentorship program. That's where we go really in depth with it. But moving on, how can I learn more, right? Like I was just saying, if you guys want to learn more about crypto and NFTs, check out Next Gen Millionaires. It's not launched just yet, depending on when you're watching this, but it's going to open up very soon. You guys will learn about crypto, NFTs, how to trade crypto, how to trade NFTs, how to make money with them, and most importantly, how I actually became a millionaire through crypto and NFTs. So with that being said, make sure you guys check it out. If you want more details on that, make sure you're watching the announcements tab. We're going to give all the details there. But with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.